What's happening, guys? Welcome back. We're taking a couple steps backwards today. So we are going to take a couple steps backwards. I don't want to do any more work on the chassis right now because I'm waiting for a TIG welder. I've got the welder that I want picked out, but it doesn't come in until a couple weeks. It's on back order. So we gotta wait before we do too much metal fab. So we're actually gonna go back to the fiberglass work. I've been kind of working on it in the background, and I'm just really not happy with the way that our fiberglass parts are coming out. The surface finish is terrible on them. They're gonna require a whole bunch of Bondo and a whole bunch of work. And it's not the right way to do it. So I actually talked with another guy here in town that's also building cars and also doing a lot of composite work. He was working a lot with carbon fiber, and his kind of suggestion was essentially scrap all this, go back to the drawing board and build a female mold and do this all out of a female mold. And I think he's right. So today we're actually going to grab the molds that we used initially, and we're going to make we're going to do some repair work on them, and then probably for next episode I'm going to have to go get some different some different resin and some different fiberglass and get started on those. But I'm going to grab the cowl mold and I'll show you guys what we're going to do today. All right, this is the cowl mold. Last time you guys saw it, that's the cowl that we've been working on in the background. So today, what I want to do, there's some kind of surface imperfections, largely from, if you remember back, we had to use like a TIG rod and kind of to pop that piece off, and it ended up scratching the finish on this mold. So we're gonna come in, fill all those up, re-smooth it. There's some bubbles and humps in here. We're just gonna take our time and make these quite a bit nicer. And then we're also going to add a flange on the bottom, because I noticed once we cast our cowl, you know, there's always some imperfections right near the edge of the fiberglass. And because we only had this down to where it needed to go, all those imperfections got included in our finished piece. So we're gonna flange this down, kind of add about, 4 or 5 inches to the bottom. So we got somewhere for those imperfections to be. And then eventually what we're gonna end up doing is coming in and casting this flange piece as a separate mold. But today, the goal is rough off the wax from when we cast that piece. So we'll sand this all down. We will add on the flange, and then probably put another coat of drywall mud on here, and basically just get going on that. And then we also got the hood mold in the basement, so we'll go grab that, and we gotta do all this stuff to that as well. So let's pull out some foam and start sanding. While I was sanding off the wax, I noticed that this main kind of spar that runs across here has actually broken off of this edge. So it doesn't hold this piece flat. So I'm gonna fire up the hot glue gun and come in here and just kind of do a little repair work. All right, now let's grab some foam and build ourselves that flange. I think we're just gonna do it out of the 1/2 inch foam and then brace it back. Should be tough enough. That's our flange built. It's about 5 inches high. I'm gonna come in now with some spray foam and fill up this channel. That should hopefully add some rigidity to the whole mold and make, you know, shaping and sanding it a lot easier. All right, that spray foam is gonna have to cure overnight before we can lay another layer on. So I figure if we gotta leave it overnight, we might as well put a little icing on the cake. We'll throw a layer of drywall mud on so that they can cure at the same time. Alright guys, the hood is basically going to be more the same as the cowling. Sand it down, fix all the imperfections, add a flange, etc, etc. So I'm going to do that, but my camera battery's going dead, so I'm going to call it an episode here. I know, you know, not a lot of progress, but we're back to basics here. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Next week, we'll probably pick back up on these, give you an update, maybe do chassis work if I have a welder by then. But yeah, we'll see what happens. So if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe. Go check us out on Instagram, Leftfootfirst Media, and we'll see you guys next week. I'm out of here.